Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This lambda function, it is available only in Excel 365. It is to create custom reusable functions using the standard Excel formula language. There is no requirement skill on VBA, macros or JavaScript. This is a simple sales data. Okay, based on our requirement, we can able to create formula and it can be reused anywhere. Again and again we need not to type the formula. Okay, so this is simple formula. You can see that SUMIF, and for incentive also this is the formula. So I have taken in notepad. Click on formulas, define name manager, click on new, region, sales formula. Just copy this one, SUMIF. As it is, copy, paste it here, click OK. One more, simply put incentive. Just copy this formula, paste it. You can give comment, click OK. Now close it. So here we need not to type any formula, simply we type equal to region sales, enter. Perfect. The same way for incentive, put incentive. Somewhere some mistake is there, so we have to find out. Go to the formulas again, just edit it. Once again copy, paste, click OK. Now it's perfect. So like that we can able to create formula and we can keep it as a lambda. You just create the formula and keep it as a name range. So simply you just type the name, it will give results. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.